Step 1. The ball handler, player 1, must bring the ball down the centre of the court slowly while the team set up the play. Players 2 and 3 cut down to the basket while the ball is brought up. Step 2. Ensure the two best shooters on the team, players 2 and 3, are underneath the basket, with the screen setters, players 4 and 5, between the block and elbow area. Step 3. Both screens need to be set at the same time to give two shooting options. The screens are set angled slightly towards the baseline, players 4 and 5. Step 4. Both shooters, players 2 and 3, use the set screens and perform a curling motion towards the 3-point line or elbow area.